So a moment ago, I made a video to talk about the Femme Talks conference happening January 20th. And I was walking along and I'm at the dog park. So there was a woman that was walking in the same direction just ahead of me. And she kept stopping what she was like, stopping and just turning around and like looking at me. And then she would kind of look for a second and then she would keep walking. And she just kept doing that, right? So we could choose to label that any way we want to, because here's the thing, we have no idea why she was doing that, right? She could have been like, what a weird thing to do. Or maybe she could have been like, hearing what I was saying and curious to know about the Femme Talks conference. Or maybe she could have been like, just plain curious because she couldn't really hear what I was saying and she could see that I was making a video. There's a number of reasons why someone would pay attention to what someone else is doing, right? I always choose to label that as curiosity. They're just curious. They're kind of like, oh, I don't see that every day. But that feeling of having other people looking at you while you're making a video in a public place, that stops most fempreneurs from making videos in public places. Like for example, that woman who just walked by me, we smiled, she could see that I was making a video. Not all women or people respond that way. Some look at me like I'm a kind of a weirdo. I mean, that's the impression I'm getting. Again, I don't know what they're thinking. We don't know what others are thinking. So here's the facts. You have to get better at making videos. If you're not making videos at all and you're not using videos at all in your marketing, you are going to have a really hard time growing your business using the newer and easier technological methods, better known as the internet and social media. So why don't you just bite the bullet, get better at it. You know, your arm gets tired sometimes and you're holding your phone out like this, walking around, you have to switch arms in the middle of the video. That's okay. Sometimes you stop the video and switch arms so that you don't, you know, all of a sudden flip the people upside down like that, which I've done before. So just get better at it. Don't worry about what other people think. And if you do it in a public place or a place where there's movement, even water moving behind you, or dogs or other people, if you do that, people will watch your videos even more. They'll lean in more. They'll be more curious. Your video will have something going on other than just you talking. You're going to be seeing me do some Instagram lives in the coming weeks. I know that's not new, but I'm going to be doing some more Instagram lives with the other speakers that are coming and participating in the Femme Talks conference. So there's 4 of us. I can't hold up 4 fingers. 4 of us speaking at the Femme Talks conference. We're going to be on Instagram live on December 20th. If you've never done an Instagram live with another fempreneur, tune in and watch us and kind of get a feel for the kind of questions you can ask, the reason why these live interview videos are so good for spreading the word about what you do in your business. And I hope you get brave and make a video like this and put it on social media, maybe even put on YouTube, and then you can embed it in an email and send that to your list. And if you don't have an email list, go to yycfempreneurs.com and click on the waitlist button, because I'm putting something out into the world on January 3rd and it's going to go out to the people on the waitlist first. And it's for you if you don't have an email list yet, if you don't really understand how to get people from social media to your email list, if you need help with things like video marketing, get on the wait list. I'm going to send you something awesome on January 3rd. And in the meantime, I'm going to send you awesome free marketing strategies and lead generation tips. Okay, we've got a solid 7 people looking at me right now. Okay, talk to you all later. Bye for now.